Today is my wash day routine. I'm about to show you guys everything I do with washing my hair, conditioning it, and trying to reactivate that curl pattern. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is not the curliest right now. It's just, I don't want to say nappy, but it ain't on point. So keep watching this video to see how I reactivate these curls, get my hair soft, luscious, and on fleek. Like right now, I feel like my hair is dead, it's lifeless, it's super dry looking, and we about to hook her up. So keep watching the video. Here are some of the products that I'm going to be using in this video. These are a few of the products I picked up at my local Walmart, but let me know in the comments below if you have any product recommendations for natural hair. Starting off, I'm just going to be shampooing my hair right here. I like to visually see a lot of product and to feel a lot of product. So I probably am using too much product for some people, but for me, I'm bald-headed, so a lot is really not even a lot. So I'm just conditioning my hair now. Now look, if your hair is really damaged and you just really want to revive it, I do recommend you use this as a leave-in conditioner. It does mix well. It's not going to dry white as long as you really lather that into your hair. I believe it makes for a good leave-in conditioner as well. Spray that into my hair, like directly on my scalp. I'm gonna just massage that into my head, because with this blonde hair, I feel like my hair dries up so quickly. Not only do black people have like dry scalps, I feel like we need that oil, but it's like now that my hair is colored, it's even more intense dry. So I'm gonna put that in. I'm not gonna put a whole lot in. I don't want to oversaturate my scalp. I just want to give it a little food. I'm not sure if they still sell this. I know I got mine from like Target a while back. That's a lot. That's a lot. I'm gonna just massage this into my head. Make my curls look more luscious. If my hair was a little longer, you would definitely be able to tell that this formula, this product right here works. It makes that curl just come into form. And I just open-handedly massage my hair like this so the curls can coil up, because I want my hair to look super curly with the tight curls. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of this Dark and Lovely Healthy Moisture hair cream. This is all that came out. And then I'm not going to lie to y'all, like my hair is set for the day after this. Like, it's pretty simple and like to the point. Not to hold y'all a long time or anything, but this is really simple and to the point. If you want to just wash and go with your hair real quick. And I don't care like what hair texture you have. Be comfortable in that hair texture and wash and go that mug. And look, can you see? I just my hair look like some wool or something. Like, I just love how curly it is right now. I don't know if my hair texture is gonna change as my hair grows, but I just love this hair texture. It's so, like, the curls are so tight. Put a little moisturizer, put a little oil, and I'm good for the day. I like the way you're making me feel. Come push up on me, baby, see